I just got back from being in Europe for a month and I need to restock my fridge. So I went to Trader Joe's and I'm doing a haul for $240. I need to get my nails done, so don't look at my nails. Well, let's get this haul started. Okay, starting with hash browns. I've never tried this one before. I think I got 2 of those. Mushrooms. 2 of these, really good to mix with some potatoes. Just potatoes from scratch. Oh my, she's so excited. Gnocchi. This gnocchi is absolutely amazing. What do you want? There's nothing here for you. There's nothing here for you. Got 2 of these. I think 2. Just 2. Oh, and look at that. This one is something new, or at least I have not seen it in any other Trader Joe's location. Gnocchi alla romana, cheese semolina gratins. Oh, I think they're like tarts. Got 2 of these French style flatbread with mushroom and blends of cheese. These Chinese style pork bao buns. I have not tried these, so I'm really excited to try them. I tried the ones from Costco and it was absolutely disgusting. Okay, the cranberry pie. Now this is seasonal, only at Trader Joe's during winter time. I've had it once, maybe like 2 years ago, and I cannot remember if I liked it or not. I think it might have been kind of bitter. I don't know. We'll have to see. Eggs. The eggs was really, really good priced. It was like $1 something, which was kind of shocking. Water. I love their sparkling water. Baby wild arugula. Really good pricing too. I cannot find the receipt. Oh, wait. I found the receipt. There's just too much stuff to show you the prices for each item because everything's gonna melt. There's more frozen stuff in here. These kettle chips, I've seen them a few times, but I have not gotten them, so it was about that time to try it. I've overheard some people talk about it and they said that it tastes really good, so hopefully. Alfredo sauce, just to have at home. I do have pasta and I have frozen shrimp, so I can easily make shrimp pasta if I'm lazy to cook. This portobello mushroom soup, it's kind of like a concentrate. So on this one it says 1-to-1 ratio, so if you make this and use the whole can, use the same amount of water because it's kind of like a soup concentrate. Okay, luxury. Oh yes, luxury marzipan. Stollen. I love Stollens, and I really hope it tastes good. Some salamis. This one, Columbus, very basic. Love it. This one is something new. Red wine artisan salami. I've never seen it. I've not tried it, so I'm really excited for that. Okay, let's see over here. Green tomatoes. This salami, it's so delicious. I could eat it by itself all day. Bagels. Can I help you? This one, peanut butter caramel coated popcorn. It's very sweet, but it's also very, very delicious. Yogurts. This is peach and mango. These yogurts are so delicious, but wait, this blueberry and vanilla. Oh, it's so good. It's so satisfying. And also got a lemon and raspberry. So half of it is lemon and the other half is a raspberry. These are so good. Wow. Okay, halfway done. Okay, let's see. This is seasonal Belgian chocolates. I don't know. It could be good. Have not had them yet. But it says made in Belgium. And then over here, I have a full bag of these puff pastry. Now, I buy this every single winter. They only come out in winter time. There's no palm oil in it. It's like $4 something per package. There's 2 layers of puff pastry in it, and I make a Danish, or you can make tarts or whatever you want with puff pastry. It's so good. I love it. So on these I try to stock up, but not too much because it is pretty fatty. So of this I bought 7. Let's see, over here we have waffles. I have not tried this waffle, but I read good things about it. And then, if you know, you know. Had to get the buns. And then also got 2 of these mushroom black truffle flatbreads. Easy, quick meal. Then I'm also trying these chicken cilantro mini wontons. Is this chicken gyoza, basically dumplings. So good. And then this one is new, cheesy bites. There's 12 pieces in it, and I think air frying this will be really good. And then also this one, delicious. Naan, love their naan. Got 2 of these. These are so good for breakfast, easy to warm up, and so delicious. Okay, we're almost done. So I have one more bag. Salsa. Looks really good. Some cheeses. Have truffle cheese. 2 truffle cheeses. These are priced by weight. So this one was $7.41, and this was $8.67. Another cheese, $3.04. Hummus, big one. This is a pound hummus. The best feta in the entire world, this Israeli feta cheese. I love this so much. It's the perfect amount of salt and creaminess, and it has a little bucket so you can lift it out of the brine. Peanuts to snack on. Cherry tomato. This was $3 something. Focaccia bread, French onion. This one can put it in the air fryer. Easy warm up. Apples. I really wanted the red inside apple. It's called Lucy J-Lo something, but they were out. So we got this apple, and I knew I got 2 of these hash browns, and I got another apple to try. So that was it. This is what $240 worth of groceries from Trader Joe's looks like. I think it's gonna last me about a month or so. Yeah, well, the pastry is gonna go in the freezer, so that's gonna stay in there for longer. But I think we got some pretty good snacks, so I'm good for a while.